We'll throw Billu out tomorrow. He is of no use to us.
Please let the poor creature live here. He has saved us since he was a pup.
But he's too old to do anything now, and thieves aren't scared of him at all. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Oh my God! My child!
Help! Help! Please, anybody save my child!
Fox! Fox! Oh my God! My child!
Oh my child! Oh my child! Thank God! Billu saved our child.
Billu is our dear dog. I was so stupid to think of throwing him out. Dear, let's go home and give our dear Billu a good dinner.
Okay, dear.
The whole family is so happy, isn't it, dear?
Yes, honey.